Hello everyone, so I'm going to show you how to fix this Windows 11 error. So let's start with the first method. You should go to the Windows search bar, type in cmd and click on run as an administrator. Now when this pop up, make sure to copy paste this command. I will leave it in the description below. Hit enter and make sure to wait for the process in order to fix your PC. For the next method, go to the Windows search bar and type in services. Now when this opens, you can see all the services will appear like this. So select any one. After that, hit W hotkey in your keyboard, search for Windows Update. Double click on it, this will open. So you want to select the startup type and switch it from manual to automatic, or leave it as automatic if you find it by default. After that, you need to switch the server status from stop to running by clicking on the start button. Just wait for the moment. Now select apply and then select OK. Once you do that, right click on the Windows Update service and then select restart. Wait for a couple of moments and then you're good to go. For the next method, go to the search and type in settings. Now on the left menu, go to Windows Update and you want to select retry all or download or install button. It depends what will appear for you. Just try installing the failed updates and hopefully that will solve the problem. If not, you can go to the update history, select it, scroll down, you will see the install, update and recovery section. You can select recovery and then click on reinstall now in order to fix your current version of Windows, and you can try fix problem without resetting your PC by clicking the first one and then select other troubleshooters. After that, you can try Windows Update, select run right here, and hopefully that works. If you found it helpful, consider like and subscribe, and see you on the next one.